You can see this? Damn, that's super thick. Wait, I got more gloves and more stickers. What are they meant to send me those gloves? Oh yeah, guy.
Okay, I made a mistake.
I forgot to
put the mic on.
We just filmed the whole unboxing with no audio. All right, so I got a Mishimoto Radiator. Shout out to Mishimoto, they're sponsoring this video. They're the shit. I actually got this like 2 months ago, but I had the S2000 and a bunch of other stuff going on, so I never did it. It came with a free pair of gloves. I don't know if this was on purpose, but or by accident. Stickers, sweet.
Oh, I had all that. I just didn't get the.
Oh.
Dang.
Pulley. This is gonna be my Powersteering cooler. I just need a 10A to 3/8 barb fitting to attach to the factory lines, which I might redo later if this pulley blows my motor because it's not balanced or whatever people say, but I drove with one of these pulleys on my 370 for like 3 years. Had no problems. Shorter belt for deleting the AC compressor. Whatever, LS swap, bro.
So why do they make them if they're unbalanced?
I don't know. People say that it matters. Some people say it doesn't matter. I trust Stillen because they're a reputable brand and they've been building aftermarket Nissan parts forever. But if it breaks, you guys will be the first ones to know. Hashtag protect your fins. I've been slanging this thing around. All right, so we don't have that much time and we got a lot of shit to take apart. I did already drain the coolant the other day because I took out the heater core and I just cut the lines on the back and it was shooting coolant out. Oh, wow. So I jacked it up and I drained the radiator.
All right, let's get to
off
work.
Camera. I also pulled off my front bumper because no one needs to know how my bumper comes off because it's not going to be the same way that your bumper comes off. All right, so we're going to start taking off the crash bar, oil cooler, I don't even know, radiator support. Since I'm doing the crank pulley and the radiator and I'm deleting the condenser, it's probably faster to just take off the whole radiator support.
Yeah. All right, let's get it.
I just really hope that this spins. Dude, on my 370, it was the biggest spin.
So what's going on? Ran into a little pickle.
Wait, what pickle? Belt. Too long. Don't have enough people to crank the to break the pulley. Tomorrow morning, I'll probably just record it on the GoPro. I'll get Tim and probably Mike to help.
Yeah.
Because at this point now, I'm just like, I do want it on, but at the same time, if it ends up being any more of a pain and it doesn't break right away, I'll probably just leave it. Probably not keeping this engine. AC compressor. I'm gonna guess. Between 15 and 20 pounds. Yeah, so now I'll just put the fans on the new radiator. I'll get a new belt tomorrow, get that pulley off tomorrow, come back Wednesday, put it back together. Maybe I'll just throw a little time lapse of me doing the fans.
You got the crank pulley in?
Oh yeah, that was a real fun one.
Let's get some.
I mashed.
Hold on. Let's get some light in here.
I mashed a pry bar in here while the car was jacked up. And then I let it down and the pry bar was on the ground and jammed in there. So it couldn't turn counterclockwise when we broke the nut loose. And then I used a jack handle on a breaker bar. And I tried to record it, but I grabbed two people who were in the middle of working. And I tried to hit the camera and I didn't realize that you took the memory card and the battery out. So I was like, all right, whatever. I guess we're not recording it. But it was pretty easy. And then basically just Loctite the nut, run it in. Yeah, definitely check your torque specs on that one. And this is a 50.5 inch belt. That's what it was. The one that I had was a 56.3 and stock I think is 58 or 68. So 50.5 inches if you want to delete your AC compressor, but it's only on a 350Z HR. The DEs have a separate serpentine belt for the AC compressor. Can I hang the old girl up? God, those stupid intake things, I knew those were gonna be a problem.
And when